Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get my latest videos updates. Today, I talk about 12 essential oil that can help you to induce your anxiety. Essential being used as scents for a variety of consumer and natural products. Some essential oils may be used for various health applications. When essential oils are used to promote well-being, it's referred to as aromatherapy. Some of the possible uses of essential oils in aromatherapy include things like managing pain, helping with digestion, and reducing stress and anxiety. The 12 best essential oils for anxiety. Jatamansi essential oil. Jatamansi essential oil is made from the roots of the plant and has an earthy or woody scent. Jatamansi is used in Ayurvedic medicine to calm the mind and encourage sleep. How to use for anxiety. Massage diluted Jatamansi oil into your temples or forehead. Lavender essential oil. Lavender oil can be used to calm anxiety. It also has a sedative effect and may help with sleep troubles, including if feelings of stress or anxiety are keeping you up at night. How to use for anxiety. Enjoy a relaxing lavender bath by combining several drops of lavender oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil, such as almond oil or jojoba oil, or an unscented bath gel. Stir the mixer into warm bath water just before entering. Valerian essential oil. Valerian is thought to contain compounds that promote sleep and calm nerves. It can have a mild sedative effect on the body. Because of this, it's often used as a sleep aid. How to use for anxiety. Add a few drops of valerian oil to an aromatherapy diffuser and inhale. Valerian may make you sleepy or relaxed. Basil essential oil. Basil is an adaptogenic herb that has shown promise in treating physical and mental stress. How to use for anxiety. The eugenol in holy basil has a powerful fragrance, so a little goes a long way. Add a few drops to an aromatherapy diffuser and inhale as the oil is dispersed throughout the room. Jasmine oil. Jasmine oil is thought to calm the nerve system without causing sleepiness. In fact, it can actually have a stimulant effect in some individuals. How to use for anxiety. You can inhale jasmine oil directly from the bottle by adding a few drops onto a tissue and inhaling, or by placing the tissue in your pillowcase as you sleep. You can also allow the scent to fill the room through a diffuser. Bergamot essential oil. Bergamot essential oil can have a calming effect and can help reduce anxiety. How to use for anxiety. Place a few drops of bergamot oil onto a cotton ball or handkerchief. Inhale the aroma 2 to 3 times to help relieve anxiety. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile essential oil is well known for its relaxing and sedative properties and pleasant scent. In fact, you may often see it as an ingredient in herbal teas that aim to promote peaceful sleep. How to use for anxiety. Massage diluted chamomile oil into your skin or add it to a warm bath. It's important to note that chamomile oil is strong and little can go a long way. Rose essential oil. Rose essential oil effects of self massage with a mix of essential oils, including rose oil on menstrual pain and anxiety. It found that aromatherapy self massage of the abdomen with the essential oil mixer was associated with lower levels of pain and anxiety. How to use for anxiety. Soak your feet in a basin filled with warm water and diluted rose essential oil. You can also add rose oil to your favorite non-scented moisturizer or sea butter and massage into skin. Patchouli essential oil. Musky patchouli is used in Ayurvedic medicine to address a variety of conditions including stress and anxiety. Patchouli can be used on its own but is often combined with other essential oils such as lavender. It's thought to promote calmness and relaxation, thought most evidence to Anecdotal. How to use for anxiety. To relieve anxiety, inhale patchouli oil directly or add it diluted to a warm bath or room diffuser. Vetiver essential oil. Vetiver oil can help calm the nervous system and can help with sleep. As such, it may also help alleviate feelings of stress or anxiety. How to use for anxiety. Enjoy a relaxing massage with diluted vetiver oil or add it to a diffuser. Clarice's essential oil. Clarice's can help ease tension and help manage cortisol levels in women. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone. High cortisol levels may increase your risk for anxiety and depression. How to use for anxiety. Inhale Clarice's oil directly when you feel anxious or massage the diluted oil into your skin. Lang Lang essential oil. Lang Lang can be used in aromatherapy to help lift an individual's mood. It can also have a calming effect and may help lower blood pressure. How to use for anxiety. Apply diluted Lang Lang to your skin and to a room diffuser or inhale directly. It's important to remember that essential oils aren't monitored by the Food and Drug Administration for purity, quality, or safety. If purchasing essential oils, be sure to buy from a reputable company. You can visit our Amazon store to buy reputed company essential oils link in the description box.